Now, there is no reason that you have a 15 to 20-minute tutorial for something that takes like 5 minutes to do. So open up your web browser, click Windows 11 ISO, click this first link from Microsoft, scroll down to the ISO image, select this download, press download now, choose your language, press confirm, and then press download for the 64-bit. Now, while this is happening, in a new tab, go ahead and look up VirtualBox. Without this backslash, that was definitely a mistake. It's going to mess everything up. Do it again. Press download. If you have a Windows, Mac, or Linux, just choose the one that matches you. I have a Windows, so I'm going to click that. And now it's going to download right now. So I'll come back once both of these are finished. Once the downloads are complete, go ahead and open up this exe file for VirtualBox. You're going to go ahead and install it. It's not going to let me do it just because I already have it installed. But once you're done, go ahead and open up VirtualBox. And first thing you're going to do is press new. Go ahead and name it whatever you want to. I'm just going to say Windows 11. Make sure this says Microsoft Windows, Windows 11 64-bit. Press next. I would recommend you keep this at least at 4096 or 4 gigabytes, just because I think that's what Windows 11 requires. 2 processors is fine, but this is up to you though. I'm going to go ahead and just say 35 gigabytes for this. Go ahead and press finish, double click on this. And you're going to see that it's not actually going to load. What we have to do is actually put the ISO file in there. So it says it right here, but just to show you in the folder, we go to our downloads, and that same ISO file we just downloaded, double click it, mount, and retry boot. And after that, we're going to press any key here. And then what we should be seeing soon is the Windows 11 installation interface. All right, there we go. Honestly, that's it. I'll go ahead and go through these last 2 or 3 steps just to show you that it really does work. Yeah, don't use a product key for this unless you really want to, but they are hella expensive. We'll go ahead and go with the Windows 11 Home Edition right here. Accept, do all this stuff, custom install. We have space. We're going to click next. And yeah, this really is pretty much it. After that, the machine is going to restart, and after that, you'll be in the regular Windows 11, I guess, installation guide. But yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it. Last thing I would suggest is that you go to your settings here, press network, and change this NAT to NAT network. That way, if you're running multiple machines, then they will all be connected to the same subnet. I'm going to go ahead and let this install, and then I'll fast forward once I have everything set up just to show you that it really does work. Here we are at the next installation page. I'll just go ahead and run through this and get back once we're back at the desktop. Quick note though, for Windows 11, you are required to have a Microsoft account to install it. So if you don't have one, just keep that in mind. You will need to create one to move forward. All right, so I just got done customizing it with the installation process. As you can see, I can go ahead and open the internet, Google, whatever, everything works the same way it would inside a normal Windows computer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just go ahead, put a comment, and I will get back to that as soon as I can.